Want to activate your Afterpay virtual card easily? I'll show you how. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Afterpay virtual card so you can start shopping right away. First, open the Afterpay app and log into your account. Go to the virtual card section from the main menu. Tap on Activate Card and follow the on-screen instructions. You might need to verify your identity by providing a code sent to your email or phone. Once activated, your virtual card details will be ready to use for online purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Remember to keep your card details secure and do not share them with others. If you want to manage your virtual card settings or see your balance, you can always check back in the app. If this guide helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tips.